Mesania, wallahi 3 times. Yes. Almost is also the phone now. Almost crossing because I belong to now. No, I'm money 24 hours. Me babia. Me here at that. Police follow. Varas na wo mo hefi ono. Both police and soldier. Ye you mo free mu. Dey ma order say ahene mienu no. Abugrago ene na chiriga. Ya ja mu kro ma mo. Munku. Do beti mi wo fa kro no. Ye nse do beti na. Wo. Civiles.
Ebusiane Ekoboko, Yakwashania, Ekoso Boko. If you boko a beba menshia, there is a new update. Aba menshia, beba menshia, Yakwaje. Update na abano. Niesi Bokono, I have from your nuntem, Mampusi for hine, and Kusasi for hine. Why ne overlord of Boko? And then send me braba, ama omukunkum crofo, kuma soja phony, a police for. Ebusian High Ice One TV, Bomodian subscribe channel, no press it. Bell notification icon send be attend the video bet my own so sabeka no ahwe mema remfi say obekire wadwene e wo comment section ho follow your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok baby Ice One TV enti yan sha say every insensema ekoso e wo bokui between Kusasi and Mamprisi foi santo koya koso ama ebusuafo bi de nsem bia ba beto dwan nsem no emodu ano den omsi yenja wo na omonku enkunkum omo baako see mom 3 days, baako see mom 24 hours. No more franco ni ehwe de obetimi ageboko asase atena so. Ebusuan yenti ensema omokan yembra.
Politician biara say o meka kire say ye onyini insana Ghanaians o monjintum say ye onyini dabi. Ye were overlord. And it didn't Abdullah Mami Sheriga. Ohona e ko he na omoko say onyini no. Aye kire say o tina ofie na ka say we onyini. Even the president of the Republic of Ghana, Ono John Dramani Mahama no, asa na ombe so onyini no. Se okokita bibi e de swear e magani say na Chief Justice a swear ni in. Esa na owura office. Na dey enti na win election, na dey enti na wan kwa owura office. Asa u tina ofie na obeka kire obi say we ohini. Sir. Ti say me a megina ono say o won ba o beti obeka kire say me forefathers omu wo omu oboku. Ono no ni na ban ni grave na e wo boku. Ono Abugrao and Ninkema no. Abugrao is a different with Azoka. Yeah. Azoka, he's a younger man by truck coming from Burkina Faso. Do things we know that, and we know their family house. And then Abugrao also. Onya onyine enne ewa baku enye onyine ewa babia. Oh he dey behind himself ya hine ewa baku. Alhaji Seydou Abagre de Nafserga. Your last message there, yeah, di mamu. Mo media for amobia, ya ba life unse be kasano. Mesanie, wallahi 3 times. Omo mi omo diploma wo bokunu soldier for now, police for no. Omo wa mawo. Omo wa kwalafi, omo wa papa no mami no, omo ja omo say omo ba ye kuro mboko, e be protecting life and the properties. Say be who say omo ntimi a na denti na omo ya police for no denti na omo ntimi yi sa soldier for na omo kotuna bogra ofie no omo yi sa soldier no enfi na bogra ofie na ati ma da mi ti ho a le so say obeti ma da ni fie ene abako de say to so mienu say IGP so who a police for no ntimi pata ye nim say amo FB unit omo je omo 30 soldiers 20 omo tima ma asunje ababoku politics nti se omo nim se omo ntimi a omo sisa soldier for ni na omo aboku no omo crossing cause abilan court now no omo ma 24 hours ni ba bia ni hiti e da from omo ye boku enti asa ka tira mu se kusasi ni bia kasa o yo bema o attempting sir or block car bi ewo highway international highway ni so on block car bi say or attack obi yes e be ya Ghanaian surprise exactly the say you be Ghanaian for no way first and last and you man one way na go see first and last ya nim say mra wo asa na boku na ba Alhaji Seydou Abagre de Nafserga The second, asa na obedi ni na esi boku kurom no. Ofa mraso. E na ekodu boku. Otena ni fie no mo ka tense onyin o. Na onu obi onti boku ka se onu boku na ba no. Ani ke ma bogro go no. O tira ye. Ni nana grave a boku. Abdul Ayi. And I've said about the material and assistant. The forefathers of Mugre by Wabaku up to net. So, no, I need him up to grow. So I can't amra and finding Yajimano when you in Fribokua. The ambassador be today because of the respect that we have with the military men and the policemen. I did ever see what you are, and then they never seen embassy. Yes, sir.
Nti sɛ monim sɛ mompɛ police mompɛ soldiers a mode yɛma motufoɔ se monyi polisifoɔ no barras na ɛwɔ mo hemfie hɔ no both police and soldier yɛyi mo firi mu na yɛma order se ahene mmienu no abogrago ɛne na akyerega yɛagya mo kuro ama mo monko na ɔbɛtumi wɔfa kuro no na yɛnsɛ na peace in me yajima ena ntakwa ma munku police for ma munku soldier for omo dia soldier for ni police for no munyi mu free abugrawo fie munyi mu free ono mo no mo ma ya just 3 days ma o yini bia antu na sirga antu free boku abugrawo antu free boku for only 1 week ko wa betima tena kro mo no mo no wona kro no ya odie finish ena boku ko bonu no soldier for him so much to escort my enqua. Oma ya kwan ya ya wa mranka beti me dia enko for pia ko borga ko dika. Ni ata ye chiaba. No searching. Asa dentro dia. Se ka be ne pesi Ghana ye manya. Je be ma Ghana ye manya. De kusaji for ni ya musuro no. Ye beti ma ye. Ma ye wo ti a ye na shiriga. Wa ma order ye ntimi ye fi. Press conference ye crack for no. Oma juma na omo ye no. Na basa for no so ho ye betima ya sen o mo ba kempe police ni regional commander yi ni tuo say e bon man pursi ni abranti e pa kunu because hu ni tuo wo ja tuo na ma o chime o se dia bi wo kunu man pursi fa fore en ko ni police ni ye say curfew rules kake ya break nko 40 mox ya ko kun o mo mpanyifo man pursi ni bia sore am bo police ni asu to bo ko da na adentina somo ba agibi mu wati me ba makusati for takumu sutu no akaje police for se o musutu soro kusati for sutu police for mo se o musutu soro ye ku o mo se sutu soro police for mo amuntimi so mo kan nokre no mo nja ekuro no maye se sana government pair bunduri for ye nuar ma mu ku bunduri no aye we ye last. And yes, I buy one get 10 free no. Ombanya. Buy one get 10 free no. Put the chain here Bunduria. Wali wo emfa Ghana nyina ya Ghana.
Ebusia enam sansensem we ya na ekoso nti no. Emayema mpani hu se ade we de ensem we de ehemfo ensem de enye politics. Te je se omoma otumfo ena ebem. Na otimi ba beka asem no. Nti enam so ma omo trigger otumfo mediation process no se na be ya ebetimi aboa ama asumdwe ababoko ne Ghana. Yenti ema mpenimbra.
Let us support our security services and the Ghana Armed Forces with information that is useful and intelligence that is helpful, that will advance their work rather than retrogress it. Let me reiterate that we will take all allegations of crime seriously and trigger our security service investigative machinery to go after criminals no matter who they are. But let me state emphatically also that we do not have the resources and time to engage in any game of smoke and mirrors. The Ghana Armed Forces is engaged in several theaters to maintain peace and security in our nation. One major flashpoint continues to be the Boku area. Only 2 days ago, an incident in a marketplace triggered an unfortunate loss of lives and criminal vandalism of property. I wish to emphasize that nobody gains from this situation of conflict and insecurity. We have triggered the Otumfo mediation process, which saw all stakeholders participate in discussions in Kumasi on a roadmap towards peace. I'm assured by the Asantehene that the process will resume next week when he returns from his brief visits abroad.
When I'm summa IGP ne penny 4 years say omobeko boko no makwa ko hu ehemfo akesifo mienu e man prosin ne kusasi ne na omone omakasa se ne be omone omomrante ne be kasa na omode omatu agu from nenso abusua antentama IGP ankasa ono kwa kano ono so kra tutu bon kem enye rade ne di ye ho afofi ankaye IGP asem kese ne to no abusua hwe kwan omde IGP efa so emra.
This is the ever-powerful Ghana Armed Forces. The Ghana Army ranks amongst the best in Africa and even in the world. Ghanaian peacekeepers are often praised in their peacekeeping roles. They are being deployed to maintain peace.
Serve a word of caution to all, especially those fomenting the trouble in Boku, that their days are getting numbered. Any attack on innocent civilians or any military personnel will be considered as an act of extremism and will be met with the deliberate full strength and resolve of our forces. There will be no safe haven for those who choose the path of violence. We will pursue every individual involved and justice will be served. We will urge the youth, lay down your arms and return to the path of peace.
I welcome you to Kumasi on this visit. And it gladdens my heart to see you here in the palace.
Sure.
And I'm sure they must have taken you to the museum and other places in Kumasi to see where we are. So, looking at you is just like looking at my army officers who are here. General Ogu, the General Officer Commandant and his people are similarly looking the same, doing the same things as you do, looking after us, protecting the country, and then to make sure that there's peace within our borders and everything. We on our part are also making sure that our people live in peace, and therefore trying to make sure that peace evolves everywhere in the part of Ghana. You know, Ghana is democratically elected. We elect our leaders and everything, but we need peace to develop. So my duty, together with the traditional authorities, to make sure that there's peace everywhere. And therefore, we make sure that we adjudicate over issues when there are conflicts in communities and everywhere, so that the government would also can have peace to do its developmental work. So that's exactly what we also try to do. We support the government of the day to make sure that, like a development catalyst, so that we make sure that our people have development and then have peace in relation to education, in relation to health. We do as much as possible to complement what the government does. But Ghana is a peaceful country, democratically electing our presidents. Elections come and go, but fortunately, we've been able to sail through all these issues, because if there are any issues, there are elders like us who would also be able to complement it by talking to the politicians to calm down. Fortunately, when we speak to them, they listen. And therefore, we've been able to move through as it is done. A true example is what happened in December, where we had elections and proper handing over and everything. So, in a nutshell, we live in a peaceful country where the rule of law, constitutionality, the rule of law, it's most important to everybody. Human rights are also very much respected and everything. We are here, the west coast of Africa, and then in the Sahelian, that is where our concerns were. But I believe our soldiers here have been doing the best to maintain our borders and security for us. Recently, there has been some communal skirmishes in the upper top of the range of Ghana, where closer to Burkina Faso. But we are doing every effort to make sure that we have peace in that area. So it wouldn't allow for the penetration of terrorism and everything to come in. So fortunately in Ghana, I can assure you that we've been blessed with humility, understanding. Each one is her brother's keeper, and therefore we move on. Tribal wars are not here because we all live. Religious wars are not here because if you're a Christian, if you're a Muslim, if you're a traditionalist, you are respected. Everybody accepts that, and we live in harmony and everything. So that is exactly what we are doing. I have confidence in the armed forces. They're doing very well, but they need support also. Equipment and funding and everything. Our funding alone cannot, when they have to go, when we call them up, for example, some of the equipment that they need. I know Britain is also going through some tighter moments, but you do better than us, so we need the support. The training and everything is one, but the equipment are also some of the things that will require to support them in their training and everything. We thank you, and I believe strongly that during your tour of Ghana, you've seen so much, you've been told so much, you've gotten to know the history and everything. So we thank you for coming. And you're always welcome to come to Kumasi anytime that you want. Thank you very much for this afternoon.
On bed afro.
And about Yasu, a Yasu Binti, Feko, Doma Hoduaba, Ya woman in a baby, you are something, and you walk on that's not cancer. Yebiti, now you some. I said, it is indeed. I am not in Benedias, feed myself. I am my father. Good afternoon to you all. Medidi upon Nava, Abubakar Sui, opposition. To be a yard, Baha, the Bana, the Sundian, saying,
Hana yɛba yɛ no yɛnim sɛ ɔtumfoɔ ɔde kɔkɔɔ so ɔbɛka ɛnokorɛ because ɛne a yɛba ha sɛ yɛba sɛ ɔmɔndi nokorɛ ɛma ɔko kwan na asomdie atumi mmra ɔman no mu because wɔyɛ bi pɛn watumi ayɛ dagon asiesie dagon asɛm no deɛ yɛnim sɛ yɛwɔ hope sɛ ɔko deɛ no so ɔbɛtumi asiesie yɛn ntɛm ama asa yɛ ne ntoma pa afra because tete no first ba no na bɔnko yɛ duro a wokɔ a business akuafoɔ yɛ ɔmo gyina ɔmo yɛ ɔmo akuafoɔ ɛne adwadefoɔ na ɔmo nyinaa bɔ mankurusifoɔ no kusasefoɔ ɔmosifoɔ ɛne akuo hudu a na ɛwɔ bɔko nyinaa na nyinaa yɛdi dwa ɛbom ɛnɛ bɔko ayɛ te sɛ ɛyɛ gospel town ɛte sɛ kane no nti ɛnɛ no yɛba ha sɛ yɛba sɛ ɔtumfoɔ ɔsɛe tutu ɔbɛde de nokorɛ ɛma bɔkofoɔ ayɛ asomdie na bɔko youth no so ayɛ adwuma atumi ayɛ ɛma obiara ɛsa ɛkɔ ne mu
ɛmmɔ tribe biara de sɛsi a no ɛkɔba sɛ ɛkɔma anaa paamɔ mo gyina sɛ asomdie na
asomdie na yɛhwehwɛ na yɛwɔ hope sɛ yɛ asomdie bɛba
asɛm yi ba mo tiri so na akɔyɛ sɛ yɛwura motee sɛ santehene de na to sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ siesie ma so woa wo mu deɛ ne
metee sɛ ɔtumfuo aba asɛm no mu that time ɛna mehu sɛ nyame yɛ adom a ɔmufoɔ ɛbɛsa ayɛ ɔko ɛbɛsa ayɛ asomdwe because ɛna mede kakra sɛ wɔyɛ bi obetumi ayɛ
ma yɛni nkɔmmɔdɔm a aba yi wafa bia nyinaa kyerɛ ɛnam so mfiri yɛhwɛ ha so sɛ ɛte sɛ ɛsate ɛna deɛ ɔte kɔkɔɔ so ɔte krada ne mmaraboma so tufo sɛ tu ɛne asante ɛna ɛmu sɛ yɛawɔ mu ampa ɛte sɛ bɛsi no wobɛba no mu ama kyerɛ
ayi uhu ɛdɔm a ɛwɔ ha sɛ ɛtwɛn sɛ nyame ado ɛho asɛm asomdie bɛba nti ha sɛ ɛtwɛn deɛ ɔtumfoɔ ɛbɛka yɛn nyinaa nso deɛ ɔbɛka no yɛbɛsɔ mu so
ɛkuo no yɛ mmienu ɛkuo de kan aba ɛmɛ no wo no ma yɛ mo asɛ mode dɔm na aba modɔɔ so nti a na mode mobɛta mo hawfo a yɛwura ne yɛsɛ na wɔ mobɛka asese nkyi
wohwɛ a kusasefoɔ deɛ yɛyɛ dɔɔso because wohwɛ yɛ kusase man yɛwɔ districts nsia ɛwɔ MPs nsia MPs ɛyi kusasefoɔ so yɛ dɔɔso wɔ asante man mu ase yɛwɔ Ashanti region ɛwɔ western north ɛwɔ western ɛwɔ bono east ɛwɔ baabia Ghana ha baabia ne hɔ a wokɔ a akuafoɔ a wɔwɔ Ghana ha dodoɔ naa ɛyɛ kusasefoɔ baabi a wobɛkɔ na asantefoɔ wɔ no wobɛhu kusasefoɔ mmienu mmiɛnsa bi wɔ hɔ na wɔn so ne asantefoɔ no te hɔ a ɔmo pɛ ɔbɛkɔ wɔn a wɔn nti wohwɛ baabi a asantefoɔ wɔ biara no wobɛhu kusasefoɔ so na yɛwɔ
okay nananom atena sɛ yɛyɛ nyɛ ntonto maame na wɔse akwanya yɛma yesu ne wɔse so that abusua nyansa mo kasa mo yesu na ayama
your portrait no no kwa kana thank you
Thank you.